Hello guys, in this quick video I'm going to show you how to check if your iPhone parts are original or not. Now this video is very important if you are trying to buy a refurbished iPhone. Yes, a refurbished iPhone. If you are getting an iPhone used, it's very important to check these things. So you have to go and download this software called 3U Tools. I'm going to put the link in the description. When you do that, you launch the app. When you launch the app, you make sure you plug your iPhone to your PC via USB cable. As you can see right here, plugging your iPhone to your PC for the first time, you're going to see an option to trust this PC. Just accept the prompt and you're going to see all the details about your device. Now we are going to go to the real thing. First of all, you have to test the Face ID and check if it is working. It will tell you to lift off your phone and check if it is working. Everything is working. Test completed. Basic information normal. Motherboard status normal. Battery status normal. Screen status normal. Front camera normal. Rear camera normal. Face ID normal. Now another thing you need to do is to click on view verification reports. Here is going to bring out everything you need to know about your iPhone. If you score 95, I think that's pretty normal. If you score 98, pretty normal. But if you score below 80, then that's an issue with your device. Mine is a retail unit from US, so it's scored 100%, which means everything in the motherboard is original as shipped in the factory. So if you pay attention here, you're going to see some numbers. This is the logic board serial number, the factory value, and the read value matched, which is normal. If you check the battery serial number, the factory value and the read value matched. The front camera serial number, they match. The rear camera serial number, they match too. Even the screen serial number, everything matched. So this is what you need to check, the Face ID and everything. You have to check if all these things align with what you are seeing in your phone. But if you have 100% score, you don't need to worry about anything. So the phone is original. All the parts are original. So these are important if you want to buy a used phone or a refurbished phone, so that you know what you're getting yourself into. Anyway, that's all for this video. You can explore other settings if you want. This app is a useful app. You can explore other settings if you want. But anyway, you now have an idea on how to check if your phone parts are original. That's all for this video. See you guys in the next one.